Here's how to make a group chat in iPhone messages. Now, if you're on your iPhone or you're new to the iPhone and you wanted to create a group text message chat conversation between multiple different people, I'll show you how to do that. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, let's first open up your settings here, and we will scroll to the very bottom here, and we're going to choose on apps. Now, again, let's scroll down until we find messages on this list. So under M, let's go to messages. Now, there are two different things you're going to look for here. If you have an older iOS operating system, older or previous than iOS 18, then on here, you will see the basically option for group messaging. If you do see group messaging on here, you want to make sure that is toggled on. Essentially, that allows you to create a group chat. However, in the latest iOS operating system, that no longer is a requirement to toggle that on. But you also want to check a couple things. You want to make sure iMessage is turned on here, as well as scrolling down, you want to make sure that send as text message, MMS messaging is turned on, and RCS messaging is turned on. All of those will make a better and more useful experience when creating that group chat. Now, after we've done that, let's just open up our messages here. And then we're going to tap on the little pencil and paper icon at the top right. Now, all you need to do is start typing someone's name here. So let's say I type someone's name. And then all I need to do is start typing someone else's name. So if you type in more than one person's name on here, either their phone number or their email address, it starts to automatically create that group chat. I can text, for instance, hi here, and it automatically pops up with this group chat. Now, at the very top, I can tap on the people, and it shows the different people within this group chat. I can choose at the very top, change name and photo. I can enter in a group name. I can have a group photo just for this group conversation. Keep in mind, this works both for iMessage as well as text message. If the other person has an Android, maybe some people have iPhones, some people have Android, it works the same. And then I can always scroll down. I can share my location, and if I open up the two people here, I can always choose to add a contact if I wanted to add someone onto this group conversation, or I can always just remove someone as well if I don't want them on this group chat or group text message anymore. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.